We were together for almost 4 years. Umabot sa point na we lived together, walang nabuo. Tapos kung kailan nag-decide kami to really part ways, tsaka kami nabigyan ng regalo, which is si Uno.
Nung nabuo siya, hiwalay na kayo?
Yes.
Ay, ang hirap din nun, ah.
Mahirap yun. And being a single mom, it's really a choice. Definitely, when I was pregnant, talagang kinonsider ko na, syempre, to work things out with him. Kasi usually, syempre, yan ang payo, di ba, ng magulang na i-work out nyo kasi...
ikasal na.
Oo, tsaka, syempre, kawawa naman yung baby. Pero, narealize ko na, I think mas kawawa yung bata kung ididiretso namin yung relationship na proven and tested na hindi naman talaga mag-work out.
Yeah.
Dahil lalaki yung bata with issues na makikita niyang nag-aaway lagi, hindi nagkakasundo. I think pinili ko yung